Hi everyone, welcome to my personal kitchen. Today I am preparing Maggi. I have poured 2 packets of Maggi and have added adequate water, and I am just boiling it right now for 2.5 minutes. The burner is on full flame, I can show you, and then I'm not doing anything extra right now. I'm just letting it come over the burner so that it will be soaked properly and it will be boiled properly. The boiling is on and I'm just stirring it for a while. You will find that white bubbles are coming up. Don't get worried. These are not any kind of dust or anything wrong in that. It is coming out because of some natural condition. The more you will be boiling it, the more bubbles will come out. Don't be feeling bad for that. And don't consider it as a waste. You don't have to drain the water. So once it is around 2 minutes, you will find that this kind of white bubbles will come up at great volume. You just stir it, continue the stirring. You may see that I have already made the 2 masala packets ready, which is available with the Maggi packets. And now once the full bubble is coming out, then I am adding this full masala packet in that. I am just pouring the entire masala. This is the first packet I have added. For 1 packet of Maggi, 1 masala. For 2 packets of Maggi, 2 masala. I am just emptying it. Don't want to waste, because this spice will be just adding the taste. It will be increasing the taste. By the way, I have just reduced the flame a bit. You can check. Now, after adding the masala, you will just be stirring the same for a while. Just stir it. Continue the stirring. Okay. The more you will stir, the masala will be getting mixed with the Maggi. And once you have done it, you will see that this will color like this. Then you will just be increasing the flame gradually. Check. I am increasing the flame gradually. Now once it is being done, you will be finding that the water is about to be draining out. You just keep it up and down in this way, so that it will not be wasted. I told you earlier that don't drain out the water from that, because then it will decrease the taste. You can see that I have just kept it a bit above from the flame. Now why I am preparing it and why I am advising you to learn this, because Maggi is a very ready-made food. When no one is in house and you don't have too much time, you can prepare Maggi. Basically, during my bachelorhood days, I prepared Maggi for a long time and had it. There is no problem if you will be consuming Maggi at regular intervals, but don't take it every day. I'm just keeping it here for a while, reducing the flame a bit in this way, and I'm putting it here. I'll show you. The flame is in this condition. Now just leave it in this way for again 2 minutes. So dear all, once 2 minutes is over, you will be finding out that the bubbles will be coming out in this way. Don't be nervous. It will not be drained out automatically. After 2 minutes, you can just give the full flame once again. Once the water is at the edge of the pan, you will just make it a bit upwards. It will be getting reduced. Again, place it over here. See, the Maggi company claims that it will take 2 minutes noodles. But if you would like to make a juicy one, as I prefer this, you may have to add more time to make it juicy and tasty. After all, it depends on your individual taste. Let it be getting boiled in this way. You'll find that this boiling sound is also coming out. I'm just holding the phone in one hand. That is why sometimes the camera is getting, jerked. Whenever you'll be alone in home, you can try it. Very tasty, very tasty. I really like this. My God. Again, you can see that I'm just upped it. And again, I'm putting it down. Be very careful about the control of the flame in this way, because controlling of the flame at regular interval will definitely make a change in your taste. I don't like too much dry up Maggi because I prefer juicy Maggi. I'd like to share one thing. When I visited Mussoorie first time, during my stay in Dehradun in 2014, I found many Maggi shops were there just beside the hill roads towards Mussoorie. And if you'll be feeling hungry while you will be just traveling to Mussoorie, Maggi is the only option to you, no other foods. It is very, delicious to taste Maggi in that wintry atmosphere. You can check that I am controlling it at full flame. Just stir this. The more you will stir it, the better it will taste. The Maggi is almost ready. I am switching off the flame. The color will be like that. Let me add few things with this. So the Maggi is ready. I have poured it in a bowl and I have just added few green chilies. As per your taste, you can add it. Some people also prefer to add a bit volume of bhujia, chana masala on this, but I have not added anything, only green chili. So dear all, if you will just like this video, then be a subscriber of this channel definitely. Thank you very much for seeing, and definitely please give a try yourself. Thank you very much.